Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video we're gonna see if a cheap Walmart way will work for our AC problem. So we have this, my old Caprice. This is my daily driver, as you can tell by the dirt. It was converted from R12 to 134A, and ever since then it just had a slow leak, and all of the O-rings replaced, everything's replaced, but I think it's the evaporator that's leaking. So at this point we just have to fill it once a year, and it's losing probably like maybe a pound or so once a year, maybe a little bit more, but just enough so it's not too cold anymore. I used to just use the can, the Walmart stuff in the can, but I figured this is probably going to be a lot cheaper because I'm going to keep doing that. And I do not like to use stop leak stuff, so I know some people probably might comment to use stop leak. I just don't trust it. So we bought this Easy Chill thing from Walmart. It was like 15 bucks, and those are like right under $5 a piece. So that way we can keep reusing it, and this might be cheaper in the long run. So let's see how this works. Alright, so first thing you're going to need to do, start the car. Then locate the port over here for the low pressure, and matter of fact your kit will only fit low pressure port, it won't fit the high pressure port, which high pressure for mine is right over here and low pressure is right over here. So I mean yours might vary, on the newer cars they're on lines, so it's one of those release methods. So boom. So right now we're gonna go turn AC on. Oh, and by the way, you have to note what's the temperature outside is right now. So the temperature 103 degrees. So we're gonna put this little middle line right where the temp is. So right about there. And then we're gonna go turn AC on to max. It is really warm outside, by the way. And ours is almost low enough for the compressor not to kick on, so we're gonna go AC max. By the way, I have a fan running here because it's so hot, so the car doesn't overheat. So as you can see, compressor kicks on enough, so that's good. Now let's look at the pressure. So it's definitely a lot lower than it should be. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get on this damn bastards, pierce the can and use the trigger and see what it does. Okay. I'm gonna use it upside down. A bit more. Okay, so now our compressor is constantly on, and I think we're almost done with our pre-on. See, our compressor is going non-stop now. Now we might need another can in a minute. Okay, so this feels like it's almost empty, probably is, but still be very careful. If there's any freon in it, it might not be good. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna check the temp of the vents, see where we're at. It's right about 86 right now, 86, 87. So it means it is cooling a little bit, but it does need quite a bit more. That does not sound good. I think our remanufactured compressor might be shut. We're gonna put second can in action. There he goes. Alright, so see, it's finally cooling down. If I can get it in right. There we go. Wait for it to go a little bit longer. Alright, so the temp keeps steadily dropping. That compressor sound though is not greatest. Yeah, it's finally getting to where it needs to be. But at least it works for now, and if the compressor craps out, it still has a warranty on it, but I think if it like craps out and the warranty like is gone, I'll just get like AC Delco on. But yeah, I mean, so this is pretty much, it's getting finally to where it needs to be in low 50s. And this is the side vent, so it's not even the coldest vent. And I keep missing the hole. There you go. So it holds about 50 degrees. Might even go a little bit lower. Remember, it is over 100 degrees outside, so Yeah, it's nice and cool. So far so good. So we're gonna turn that off, so I don't have to listen to the screeching of my compressor. All right, guys. So it does work. If you just need a quick top off, just pretty much follow what I like the way I did, and you'll be good. Don't forget to put your little cap for low pressure on. And other than that, that's it. We're all set. Remove our fan, shut the engine off, be good. Alright guys, so if this video helps you out, please subscribe to the channel. Again, we used Walmart's $15 gauge and Walmart's SuperTech refrigerant. And by the way, just leave it on because it doesn't have a valve not to come out, so if you unplug it, it's just gonna go all over the place. So just leave it on until next time you need to use it. Alright guys, hope you're having a good day. Take care.